What up, guys? On this channel, we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops, and other investments based on crypto. But this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. So, in this video, I'll be talking about the Avive KYC, the phase 1 and the phase 2, and the distribution announcement. I'll be giving you all the details in this video. So, first off, the first thing you need to do is click on this banner over here. It moves you to the KYC phase 1. So once you get to the KYC phase 1, you can see it over here. So the first thing is you need to download this OKX wallet, because if you have it already, you're good to go. But if you don't have it, I have the link in the description box below, and you can also click the download OKX button over there to download the wallet in order to get the UID. But the only thing is you need to get verified on the OKX wallet before you can be able to get your UID and paste it here. So if you want to get the UID too, you can also click on how to get UID. There's a support center. You can check all the details over there in order to know how to get your UID. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Let's continue the video. So finally, when you get your UID and you paste it over here, the next thing to do is share to submit. So that will take you straight up to the Twitter. So on the Twitter, you need to post this on your timeline. You understand that? So after clicking on the post, you can see now we have submit. So finally we'll be submitting this, and you can see submit successful. So that's all for the phase 1. So after some hours, I got a notification for me to come back for the phase 2. But unfortunately, if you don't get the notification, you don't need to bother yourself. All you need to do is just scroll through this banner over here. You'll get the Avive listing on OKX, and you'll get Avive KYC phase 2. So all you click on is the apply. So once you click on the apply, the next thing to do here is you can see everything. So I'll be reading this out to you. I won't be reading everything, but at least I'll read a little to you. You can see there's two options there. You need to input your 𝓕𝓻𝓮𝓮 wallet address first, and if you on the second one here, you can choose to receive your airdrop with your wallet or your OKX UID. So either of the two is fine. You understand that? So before you paste anything or you click for that, you need to read this very carefully. So for the first paragraph here, you can read this on your own, but the second one is like the major one here. So user may receive up to 30% of their total balance during the initial token release, depending on their KYC score tier. You understand that? So after the first percent unlock, no matter what percent you get, so after the first one, now all of the user tokens will be unlocked on the monthly basis. So with the unlocking period ranging from 18 months to 30 months. So that they'll be giving you bit by bit every month. So with that, if it's come out with a good price, I mean if it's launched with a good price, definitely you can sell or you can still hold for a longer time. So now, in order to get this 𝓕𝓻𝓮𝓮 wallet, all you do is go over to the OKX application, or you go to the web. Now you come over to the funding. You can see if I click here over here, you can see we have overview, funding, trading. So you come over to the funding. There you can see all your tokens. So click the search button, then you input ARB. That's a short form for the 𝓕𝓻𝓮. So now when you get here, you click on the deposit, because we want to get the deposit address. So you can see here that we have steps in order to get the deposit address. So now we need to select which deposit network we want to use for the 𝓕𝓻𝓮. So now when we click on the select, we have two here, but the one we need especially is the 𝓕𝓻𝓮. So after that, you click on the next. So you can see here, once you click on the next, you can see this address is for RAB alone. So this is the address we're about to copy. You can scan this code if you are out transferring any 𝓕𝓻𝓮 into this account, but because we need only the wallet address, so I'll be copying this wallet address and I'll be pasting it over here. So once I paste this wallet address here, then I click on the apply. So once I apply, now you can see that I've completed my KYC phase 2. So all I need to do is wait for them to finally launch this token, and then we can harvest our long time hustle on this application. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you in my next video. Stay always blessed.